Previously in episode 2 of the Christmas Compass.
Is there some kind of event here?
Ah, you've come for the carol. You'll want to sing it before midnight. They say it keeps the holiday gloom away.
Emma, this is amazing. It's fate.
Or it's one woman's elaborate marketing strategy.
How exactly does singing in the cold bring back holiday spirit?
All right, team, let's give it a go. Come on, Emma, it's for holiday spirit.
And as they sang, something strange happened. The lights seemed to flicker. It was as if the voices of those long gone joined their song.
Did anyone else hear that? Or have we officially crossed into haunted holiday territory?
Emma, I think it's leading us to exactly what we need. Maybe even what you need. Isn't that worth following?
And as they turned to leave, the compass pointed in a new direction, as if guiding them towards something even stranger. Where would it lead them next?
Episode 3. The Candlemaker's Workshop.
After the unusual experience in Salem, the compass led them to a small, quiet village, nestled somewhere between quaint and are we lost yet? Emma, Nate and Lily could only hope this wasn't leading them to another seasonal caroling contest. But as the compass's hum grew louder, they found themselves drawn to a dimly lit workshop at the end of a snowy lane.
So, either we're about to discover something magical, or we've just walked into someone's very elaborate hobby.
Or both. Though if this hobby involves a candle that reveals your innermost thoughts, I'm out.
Soft crackling of a fire, a few clinks as Emma picks up a candle.
The workshop had a cozy glow, with candles of every size, colour and scent lining the shelves. It felt like stepping into a winter night's dream, except for the faint sense that someone was watching.
Max Harper, a local craftsman with a calm, steady voice, steps out from behind a shelf, carrying a bundle of fresh pine branches.
Evening, folks. Haven't seen you around here before. Let me guess, the compass led you?
You know about the compass?
Well, in a town like this, you pick up a few things, especially when it comes to Christmas traditions and relics like that one.
There was something quiet, grounded about Max Harper. He spoke like he knew the town's secrets, but he wasn't in a rush to share them.
Max, this place is incredible. And these candles, do they, do anything special?
Depends what you're looking for. Light this one and see what it brings up.
They move to a quiet corner of the workshop as Emma lights the candle.
All right, I'll bite. What's supposed to happen? Will it start projecting family photos on the wall?
Emma stared into the flickering light, and for a moment, it felt like she was seeing her own memories. A flicker of a past Christmas with her aunt. The warmth of their laughter filling the air. She blinked, unsure if it was the candle or just her imagination.
Okay, did anyone else just...
Let's just say these candles have a way of showing you things you're ready to see. Nothing more, nothing less.
The light of the season is calling you in.
Max sets down the pine branches, preparing another candle, as Claire Monroe, a warm and knowledgeable historian, enters the shop. She freezes, noticing the compass.
Is that the Christmas compass? You're not the first to follow it, you know.
Wait, so you know about this thing?
Know about it. I've been researching it for years. The stories say it's tied to the old Christmas legends, and the fact that it's led you here, well, let's just say you're exactly where you're supposed to be.
Emma looked at Claire, feeling a mixture of intrigue and, for the first time, a bit of relief. Maybe she wasn't chasing a wild holiday goose after all.
So, What does the compass want from us? Or rather, what is it leading us to?
That's the mystery. But I think we're closer than you realize. Sometimes it's about following the path before you, even if you don't know where it ends.
The group, joined now by Max and Claire, steps outside into the crisp evening air.
As they left the workshop, Emma couldn't shake the feeling that each step was pulling her closer to something more than just a holiday tradition. She didn't believe in fate or destiny. But there was something about this that felt bigger than all of them.
If you're really planning to follow this thing, I'll help you get where you're going. You'll need someone who knows these parts.
And I'll come too. I've waited too long for this to stay on the sidelines.
So now I'm apparently leading a group expedition. Just promise me this won't end in Christmas karaoke night.
With a growing team and a mystery guiding their steps, Emma's journey was just beginning. Where would the compass lead them next? And what holiday secrets would they uncover? Find out in the next episode of The Christmas Compass. This was episode 3, featuring the wonderful Klara Landrat as Emma. If you're enjoying the magic and mystery, don't forget to follow, review and subscribe. There's plenty more adventure waiting. A Podcast Audios original, created and produced by AJ Tambay. See you next time.